This is gonna blow your mind. Atlas moths are so huge people mistake them for birds. Ever seen wings as wide as your face? Let's dive into some wild Atlas moth facts. The Atlas moth has a wingspan up to 12 inches, that's bigger than your hand. Its wingtips look like snake heads, a clever trick to scare off predators. But get this, despite their size, Atlas moths don't even have mouths. They can't eat. They live just 1 or 2 weeks, focused only on finding a mate. Next time you spot a giant butterfly, remember it could be the legendary Atlas moth. Follow @randomAskFacts for more wild wonders.